And so here's a Toastmaster Box Fan. My parents were talking in the background, so just ignore that. Got this from the Habitat restored today. Along with that was from the Goodwill. So I just now got done cleaning it up and sort of fixing it up a little bit. It was pretty dirty. It is still dirty. As you can see, I made an attempt to wash the grill a little bit. I only got like 30 slats. Everything else is pretty much dirty. It's got some pretty bad rust. It's not rusting through, at least. This is probably from like an old school or gym or something. Telling about its condition. So it's got a slat missing, just one. It's got a classic McMillan motor. Does need to be oiled. I don't have oil at this house, so yeah. Pretty nice fan. It is kind of loud though. I was thinking of using it as my my main fan, but probably not because it's so loud. I'm gonna wipe the lens here. Somewhat better. It's got the classic stretchy handle and speed selector. So, anyways, this is one of those fans that has a really big difference in speeds. So let's go ahead and start with low. Very quiet and slow on low speed. Blows a nice steady breeze. And I'll go ahead and go to medium. Standing on the steps right now. I love variable speed zoom. It's medium, not much of a difference from low. Just blow a bit more breeze, and then here's high speed. This will drown out the background noise. My computer set up. It was a nice breeze. It is pretty loud, as you can hear. And off. As you see, it has a pretty fast spin down time, but pretty nice. It doesn't have really a startup noise. I'll try and do a startup noise on medium. No startup noise, if any. Or very little startup noise, if any. I'll try startup noise on high. Nothing. It's still a good fan, though. It's the bathroom fan in the background, if you can hear it. So, anyways, this is my Toastmaster Box Fan, so thanks for watching, and I'll probably do a remake video of this sometime.